In this video, I will show you how you can connect your keyboard or your mouse to your iPad 11 A16. As you can see over here, I have a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse. But I will also tell you how you can connect your wired keyboard or your wired mouse with your iPad. Now, if you have a Bluetooth keyboard or a Bluetooth mouse, then first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just enable the toggle for Bluetooth, and after you turn on Bluetooth, then just grab one of your Bluetooth devices. For example, I will use my Bluetooth mouse. Now just enter your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Now once your device enters into pairing mode, the signal of your Bluetooth device, which is our mouse, will appear under other devices. Now just tap on the signal of your Bluetooth mouse, then select pair. And after you do that, you'll pair your mouse with your iPad. Now to connect our Bluetooth keyboard with your iPad, just turn on your Bluetooth keyboard and enter it into pairing mode. And after that, once your keyboard appears over here, then just tap on it and select pair. Just like that. And after you do that, then you will be able to use your mouse and your keyboard with your iPad. Just like that. Now, if you have a wired mouse or a wired keyboard and if you want to connect it with your iPad, so in that case, you will need a connector. Now the iPad 11 A16 has a USB Type-C port, so you will need a USB Type-C to a USB hub. Now as you can see, we have two USB-A ports over here. Just connect the USB Type-C section to your iPad, then just connect your Bluetooth mouse and your Bluetooth keyboard to any of the USB ports over here. And after you do that, your wired keyboard or your wired mouse will be paired with your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.